Social media star Cameron Dallas was arrested after an alleged 5 a.m. assault on Saturday in Colorado at the Hyatt Residence's Grand Aspen. A man bleeding from facial injuries was transported from the hotel. He told police that Dallas assaulted him. As a consulting expert in the California State Bar's effective introduction of evidence, and specifically the chapter on social media evidence, and as a trial lawyer who's used the social media post of the other side to win my cases, let me give a bit of advice to any influencers out there that are interested in airing their dirty laundry on social media or presenting their defenses to legal matters and claims on social media. Don't do it. Dallas's tweet may already have caused him harm, but back to the story. Dallas is being charged with second-degree assault, which is a felony in Colorado. He's posted a $5,000 bond and he's been released. His initial court appearance is set for January 22nd. If convicted of second-degree assault, Dallas is looking at a minimum mandatory prison time of 2 to 16 years, the length of which depends on whether or not a deadly weapon was involved in the alleged assault. Dallas can be sued by the alleged victim in the civil courts for money damages. We're talking about past and future medical bills. We're talking about loss of wages, loss of earnings, and if intent is shown, we're talking punitive damages to the tune of millions of dollars. Not good. Dallas tweeted out along with his booking photo. Unfortunately, sometimes in life, you find yourself in a situation where you have to protect yourself and the people you care about. Have a safe and happy new year. 2019 is going to be an amazing one. I'm a licensed California attorney. I'm not even licensed in Colorado, nor do I care to be. I don't handle criminal defense cases. I've never lost one, but I don't handle them anymore. But having said that, let me share a few thoughts about the story. Now, it's my understanding that in Colorado, the most common defenses to an assault of this type are what are normally referred to as affirmative defenses. And these include 1, you didn't intend to hurt anybody. 2, you didn't use a deadly weapon. 3, you didn't act recklessly. 4, you didn't act knowingly. 5, you were acting in self-defense of yourself or of someone else. And while I'm going through these affirmative defenses, it's my understanding that in Colorado, intoxication is not a defense. Now look, we weren't there. We don't know what went down in this hotel, but because the defenses to these types of cases can be challenging, especially for lawyers and their clients, and because the prison sentence time in this case can run from 2 to 16 years if you're convicted and depending on the circumstances. If I were Dallas, I'd lawyer up. I would let my lawyer handle all the details of my defense in this case. I'd let my lawyer take it from here and I wouldn't post anything else on social media about what happened that morning at 5 a.m. in the Colorado hotel. Below, I've shared a couple of links to related stories, some legal tips, and some business advice for influencers. You guys might want to check it out. And if you like the content of this video and what I'm doing here on the channel, hit the button, subscribe to my YouTube videos, get on my email list, and best of all, share out with your family and friends. My name is Mitch Jackson. I am the streaming lawyer over at streaming.lawyer. Connect with me here on YouTube at mitchjackson.tv, over at the streaming lawyer, and make each day your masterpiece. And one final reminder, don't go on social media and air your dirty laundry and air your legal defenses if and when you're involved in a case like this. It's just not smart.